Hey, what's going on, everybody? John here, Johnny Investor Howard, doing a quick video for you here today. Something kind of interesting and exciting. Basically, I recently signed up for the trade alerts for Ark Invest. So, in case you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, so Ark Invest. Basically, Ark Invest, the CEO of Ark Invest is Cathy Wood. I've actually done a video on Cathy Wood, and what she is she's the individual, the CEO again of Ark, and she basically came on. She's on CNBC quite a bit, but she is the one that did a forecast of the Tesla price tag, right? So she had a base case, a bear case, and a bull case. And her bull case, and this is back in February of this year, her bull case was a price tag of 7,500, and then she's got a different base case and a bear case. Up in the right-hand corner of this video, I'm going to have a video there, and you can go ahead and click that, and then you can see that video where I go into detail of the Cathy Wood bear base and bull case, which was again, the bull case was a $7,500 price tag. So she's become pretty famous from that. I'm sure that Ark has been successful before that. But anyway, if you actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a quick email I got from them today on their trades. Okay. So let's go ahead and do a quick minimization. So I got this email, and on this is basically all of the trades. So they're buying. I didn't see any sells in there. They do have certain policies for their ETF. If any one particular position becomes more than a certain percentage exposure, they do have to start selling some of it. I don't have those exact figures for this video, but I wanted to show you, give a quick demo of how you can go on to Ark Invest, and you can subscribe to their trade alerts as well. Okay, so here it is. This is all buys. I'm actually have positions in some of these. I have positions in Shopify. It looks like they bought 37,405 shares. They bought PayPal. That's a lot of PayPal shares. Wow. 348,461, and right now PayPal is trading at $221. So that's a big purchase right there. 221 times 348, 461, $77 million purchase. There are millions and millions of shares traded in their volume of these securities every day. So not going to probably move them that much, but still nonetheless, it's a great tool, great way to understand what Ark is doing. The next one is DocuSign. I have a position in DocuSign. Zoom Video. I do watch Zoom Video, but I do not have a position in Zoom. They kind of have come down a bit since their earnings release in mid-November. Basically, and then Slack coming in at 1,761,493 purchases of Slack. That's pretty wild. So go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and click over here for you. I went ahead and clicked. So if you go to the Ark website, this is the Ark website. You would just kind of go and subscribe for ETF updates. You could just plug your information in here. This is a great way, again, to get really an understanding of what it is that Ark is purchasing, and certainly what they're selling. And I for this particular video, I imagine that understanding what it is that they're buying is slightly more significant than what it is that they're selling, because again, as an ETF, they do have certain guidelines and policies for their for their company, where I believe it's 10%. So if any position of their single position becomes over 10%, they do have to start selling some of those shares. So it is very interesting, in my view, what it is that they're buying, and we'll have to see how many of these they come out. Just for your reference, if you haven't seen Cathy Wood and Ark Invest, this is actually a quick YouTube clip of what she looks like. Again, she's been on CNBC quite a bit talking, and I think most people probably know her from having the extreme kind of bull case on Tesla.
Invest was founded to focus solely on disruptive innovation. We understand how quickly the world is changing, and we cannot use just traditional financial research resources anymore. We have to use social media, reach into communities, and meet people we would never meet in the traditional financial world. They take our research and share with us their research. You get to know each other that way. It becomes a very powerful community. We're all very passionate about these themes. And then crowdsourcing. Many blog aggregators.
We'll go ahead and hop to some of their, just in case you're not familiar. So I actually have positions in the Ark Innovation and then the Ark Next Generation Internet. So if you take a look at Ark Next Generation Internet on their site here, you know, we can go to it and then we can see some, just even from their site, they just give you some interesting facts, you know, or really performance figures, right? So year to date, their Next Generation Internet year to date is up 88.25%. You know, their 1 year's 123.08, and then even here you can go in and you can see their top holdings. So, you know, number 1 and 2 is Tesla and Roku. That's you know, that's really fascinating for me. Pinterest is in there, Facebook is in there, Square. So a lot of interesting picks that they have. And then the next one is Ark Innovation. So take a look at this Ark Innovation. These are just 2 that I actually have positions. I might take a position in the Ark Innovation FinTech. But basically year to date for this Ark Innovation ETF is 83.72%, and then their 1 year performance is 115.18%. And then even there, you can kind of go further down a little bit and see what they're, again, Tesla and Roku are the top 2. That's pretty funny. Yeah, fascinating. So there you go, everybody. That is what you can do with Ark. I will do actually some more videos on Ark. If you have any questions about Ark, let me know. I do plan on doing some more videos on Ark because they're have pretty solid, you know, obviously very solid returns and have a very interesting method, I guess, that they go after for their investment picks. Okay, so hopefully you like that video. If you have any questions, let me know. If you aren't already, you can generate leads, earn profits, or just make money from your social media profiles. My program is called Profile Profit Machine. I'll put a link in this video, or if you receive this as an email, you'll see it in the email. You'll have an opportunity to partner with me and the world record holder for the fastest website funnel to hit $1 million, and that record is 28 days. You could literally come in and just completely clone our funnel and use it as your own. And with it, basically the total training time is only 90 minutes, and you get complete assets with that. Okay. Also, I came out with a credit blueprint. It's a credit 5 guaranteed credit cards, kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guaranteed credit cards, and a wealth blueprint. I've got sections on investing. I got sections on margin. I've got sections on online income. So I cover a lot, and then financial independence and business credit in there. My blueprint is only $7, okay? And I'm always optimizing that blueprint. So go ahead, if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video, and take care.